Welcome to Brigham Young University, one of the world's largest private universities with 30,000 students from over 100 different countries. BYU is a university seeking diversity and inclusion in all areas and has many great programs for both undergraduate and graduate students.
One of the graduate programs at BYU is neuroscience. Hillary and I are both graduate students in the neuroscience program. Come on in and we'll show you around.
This is the Neuroscience Center. The Neuroscience Center provides administrative support for students and faculty.
This center also offers valuable resources, keeping you updated on any events, and they can answer any questions that you might have about the neuroscience program. You can contact them via email, telephone, or you can visit them here.
This is the Life Sciences building, where part of the neuroscience faculty have their labs and some classes are held. In these labs, students gain hands-on experience with a variety of research topics, ranging from molecular and cellular to behavioral neuroscience.
To ensure a great research opportunity, BYU offers a variety of equipment, such as an MRI machine, EEG, 2-photon microscope, and microscopes like these.
This is the Kimball Tower. The 9th floor is where many neuroscience faculty have their offices.
The BYU Neuroscience program has a lot to offer, and these resources are available to you. We strive to provide an excellent education in which you can enhance your love of neuroscience. Welcome to the BYU Neuroscience Center. I decided to attend BYU for my PhD because the professors here are awesome. They are super willing to help you, they reach out to you, and my primary investigator, Dr. Edwards, developed a relationship with me before I even started the program.
I decided to attend BYU Graduate Neuroscience program as opposed to other schools, a lot because I did my undergrad here at BYU, so I was incredibly comfortable and I already had a really good relationship with my primary investigator, Jordan Jorgensen, and I really loved the research he does in his lab. Also, it's close by to family, which was important for me to stay near them. Important factors for applying to the BYU Neuroscience program is a good GRE score, a good GPA, 3 letters of recommendation, a statement of intent, and some research experience. In your written statement of purpose, when you apply, you should include your research experience as well as other techniques that you've learned and developed. It's also important to talk about how you are going to use those techniques in your research. In a graduate school interview, it's really important to talk about where and how the grad students are doing. So for instance, it's a good question to ask, where are the grad students 6 months after they've graduated? Because it'll give you a good balance to see where you want to go. Other things to keep in mind is that it's really important to be somewhere that you feel comfortable. You're going to be here for the next few years, and so you want to be somewhere that you feel safe and that you can be yourself and also have people around you that will care about you.
One of the best parts about going to BYU is the city that you live in, Provo. I love it here. There's mountains everywhere. I'm a big rock climber, so I really enjoy that. Hiking, the community here is really nice. Everyone's just super nice. The weather's great. It's a great place to live.
The master's program takes about 2 years to complete here at BYU, and the PhD program takes 4 to 5 years.
One of the best things about this program for me is that it's actually funded by BYU if you get accepted as a PhD student, and even the master's programs, they will help you out and give you a TA job that covers your tuition most of the time and can even give you a little stipend. So it's been a really big blessing for me. So with my research, I'm working with Dr. Jeff Edwards, and we look at drug use. So we research mice, and we look at brain slices, and I do what's called whole cell patch clamping. So you actually get down onto a single neuron, and you can read what's going on just one neuron, and what happens when you apply different drugs to the brain, or if a brain's been chronically exposed to drugs, and we can look at all of that and help people ultimately overcome their addictions and look at different ways to treat addiction.
So right now I'm doing a technique called voltammetry, which is basically we're looking at dopamine, which is a reward molecule of the brain, and looking at its release in different brain regions and how it reacts to different drugs. I'm going to be using this technique as well as others to study the neuroimmune system, basically how the central nervous system reacts with the immune system. You should join the BYU Neuroscience program because it's an incredible major and you'll be able to learn so much. The brain is incredible and there's so many different avenues that you can research that you can do basically anything. Also, the professors here are incredible and are really here to help you with your research goals.
I recommend the BYU Neuroscience program because of all the great resources they have, the community here, and the amazing professors.